Hey there, it's Eric with RegFox, and I'm super excited to reveal our latest new feature called Winback emails. This is the ability for you to automatically send an email out to anybody who started the registration process but didn't complete it. And I'm going to show you how not only can you just send one email, you can also set up a series of emails to go out to them and to bring people back to your registration page. Now, we've designed RegFox to be the highest converting registration platform on the market. But we understand that there are still situations where people may not finish. Maybe their card declined, maybe they got distracted. And so we have this feature to capture even people who got all the way through the process and just decided to not to complete. So great feature for you to target those people. So I want to walk you through exactly how it works so you can understand it. And then I'm going to show you how to build those emails and how to schedule them for sending. So going down here, let's take a look at the billing section here. And we're going to look at this email address field here. So if I put in my email address, what the system is going to do is it's now going to set a watcher on this email address. So right after I type it in, the system is going to start looking out for this email address associated with a completed registration. And if it does not find a completed registration within 20 minutes, this email address then becomes part of the Winback queue, and it'll start sending your Winback emails. So the user doesn't even need to hit submit. They just enter in the email address here. If they give up after last name or card number, it'll automatically add them into the queue. Likewise, if they put in their card details, hit submit, declines, and then they give up, they'll also get added to the queue as well. So very broad, very easy to gather the email addresses for people who started but did not complete. And so that is how you'll build that pool of individuals that you're going to send these Winback emails to. So let me walk you through how to set them up. So we're going to go back over to the builder here. Under emails, you will see there is a Winback email type. And in here is where you can configure new Winback emails. And to create a brand new email, you just hit create Winback email, give it a name, and then you step through the prompts. I'm going to cheat a little bit here and show you some pre-configured emails. So here's my Winback email number 1. We're going to hit edit here. You can see I have a name. We're going to hit continue, and you're going to have a subject line, from, reply to, in the body. So this is just an example, and it's just going to say, hey, we noticed that you didn't finish registration. Click here to come back to the registration page. Nice and easy, very, very simple. And so if I go to the next step, you can see I have a couple settings here. And the first is going to be the delay. So this one is set to be sent after 5 minutes after they have abandoned the registration. Now you could change this to hours and days, and you can set a number of different intervals. So someone will enter their email address in. If they are not found associated with a completed registration within 20 minutes, they're added to this Winback queue, and then this is going to set a 5-minute delay, and then the email will get sent out. Now the end date here is important because this is designed to stop all Winback emails after a given date and time. And the best example would be the event date. So if your event date is May 1, you probably don't want to keep sending them Winback emails after your event is over. So use this setting to make sure that people don't get emails after your event starts or after it's over. So be sure to review that. And you can review it here and then hit schedule Winback. And then from here, you also can choose to send a test email to your inbox here, and you can view it, you can edit it, you can clone it. I like the clone feature because I can just start away with my email here, and I can start a new one given my prior written message. And so this is a great way to maybe slightly modify subject lines and modify the body text, and it's a very easy way to do that. Now, one little trick here is, again, you can have multiple emails here. So maybe you want to create 5 emails in the Winback sequence and progressively stage them out with longer delays and maybe more aggressive offers. So this one here, let's take a look here. This one is Winback email number 2. And I'm going to bring them back with a 10% discount offer. And so in here, I have a whole little message, life gets busy, no problem. Come back with the coupon code Be Awesome for 10% off. So be sure to go add the coupon code into the platform. But this will now bring people back with an incentive. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delay this email by 2 days. So conceptually, this one's going to go out 5 minutes after they abandon. Then it's going to wait 2 days, and then it's going to send them this email with a coupon code. And I could keep doing that. I could add in email 3, 4, 5. Maybe email 5 has a 35% discount. And as each one of these emails gets lined up to be sent, it's going to first cross-reference if that person whose email address was entered has then since registered. So let's say in this email, I convert and I register, I'm not going to get email number 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how that works. Now, if I go here to the viewing side here, you can see that I have 0 clicks here. It did show that it got sent to one person, which is me. We're going to advance this report here. We're going to also show you registrations and dollars you made from these emails. So we're going to add some additional insights here very soon. But let's take a quick look at what one of these emails looks like. All right, let's pull over my email. And there we have it. So here's my email. It's from me. That's all great. Click to finish your registration, and I'm back here now at the registration page. And now if I refresh this page, this will show that I've clicked the email, and there you can see that is reflecting my click. So again, we're going to add additional stats and details here that are going to really give you more insights at how many people have been won back. So that is the essentials here, the Winback feature here. And again, the sky's the limit for what you want to do here. So you can test these out. You can toggle on and off if you want to try certain emails and not others. Really powerful, really flexible for you to manage these at scale. And so it's really going to be effective for your marketing efforts to win people who started the process but didn't complete. So that's it for the Winback emails. Again, we're going to continue to develop this, but if you have any questions about it, please let our team know. They would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next demo video.